back with Cucina Facile, and we're gonna make a favorite chicken enchiladas. It's a great summer dish. This recipe actually is from Southern Living, and I've been making it for many years. It makes some very nice chicken enchiladas, and it's super easy. So you already saw all the ingredients, and what we're gonna do is mix the first 4 ingredients in the list. So 3 cups of chicken, half a cup of sour cream, a third of a cup of fresh chopped cilantro, and then 2 cups of Monterey Jack shredded cheese. And this is the filling for our very cheesy, easy enchiladas. Easy, cheesy enchiladas. Sometimes this filling is a little bit dry, so what we can do is add just a little of the salsa verde, which is moist, and make it a little more flavorful. And then we're gonna roll this filling in our enchiladas. You wanna make sure the sour cream is all mixed in there. See how that made it just a little bit more moist and sticking together. The recipe doesn't actually call for the salsa verde at this stage of the recipe, but I like it, so I'm gonna put a little bit more. And it's not spicy. Maybe I added about half a cup of the salsa verde. The next step, our oven is ready at 350 degrees. We're going to fill our enchiladas and layer them in here. We're going to spray some non-stick spray on the bottom.
Para bailar la bamba, te necesito una poca de gracia pa' mi patria. Y arriba, ay arriba, por ti seré, por ti seré, por ti seré. Yo no soy marinero, soy capitán, soy capitán, soy capitán. Bamba, 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 bamba. Para bailar la bamba, necesito una poca de gracia pa' mi patria. Y arriba, y arriba.
Our enchiladas are ready. The oven is hot. We're going to spray some of this olive oil spray on there. This one is finished. This will help the tortillas become nice and crispy. And then we're going to put it in the oven for 35 minutes. Okay, now our enchiladas are beautifully golden. We're going to mix 8 ounces of salsa verde with 8 ounces of sour cream. Mix them really well. And then we're just gonna pour it on top. Making sure they're all covered. Here we go. And we're going to let them cool for a little while.